Hi. My name is Erica LaShawn. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome. It is 12:21 a.m. It is November 19th, 2023. I gotta be to work at 8 a.m. I'm fooling. What he say? What he say, y'all? Hold on. He said, "This is why they call me Chocolate Uno." What? Okay. I got some time. I got to go to work in the morning. So let me. Sir, you just don't understand. Wow. You just flap around. You just like flap around like in a body. Your body, you just flap around like in a body. Yeah, yeah. They still like you. Oh, I was expecting a leg trick, child. Child, I gotta get up. I gotta get up. And I have to get up in the morning. I took my melatonin, so let's go. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Y'all, I was off today, and I straight thought I was going to work. My supervisor was like, "Miss Pizza, you off?" I was like, "Oh, what are you doing?" Again. See, I don't like that. Yeah, I don't like that. Yeah, I don't like that. When you talk nasty, I don't like when you talk nasty. Yeah. So, just so you know, sir, no one, I don't like that. I don't like to hear that language. Yeah, I'll be over here. I'll be over here. So I gotta watch myself. Child. Oh, he make this Chocolate Une. You make this so easy for me. Score active favorites with what? Black Friday deals. Find Adidas for 25% off. I gotta get up in the morning. Yes, sir. If Mammy did the beat, then it's slap. Class clown. Child, you Chocolate Uno. You a class. I ain't never caught. I could have been a class clown a little bit, but hey, I'm not gonna get up on. Hey, hey, bitch. I'm in my bag. I'm a pretty nigga. I don't mean to brag. Took his bitch. Now he mad. Gave her this dick and now she don't wanna go back. I said, bitch. Do y'all hear him? I'm a pretty nigga. I don't mean to brag. Took his bitch. Now he mad. Gave her this dick and now she don't wanna go back. Oh, y'all hear him? Child, your mama should be ashamed. I look him up. I can't believe that. Now you ain't about to say that. You're not about to say that. Oh. Ay, mamá, por favor, no la chancla. Hola. La chancla. Me amo tirar mente que chocolate uno. Sure, I don't give a damn. How about that? Oh, you make music? I'm not impressed at all. Yeah, I ain't impressed. I ain't impressed at all. Yeah. Ooh, I'm having fun over. I don't know. You was on the morning show. I'm kind of, you know, Oh, what? See, I'm still mad at you. So this is where this goes. See, I don't like you. You know what I'm saying? So let's go. I don't like you.
We talk a lot about periods.
Yeah, no,
About our
let's
cycle.
go. Let's
Every
go.
28 days or so. Routine.
Oh,
Routine.
y'all, people going live.
Decades.
Ah.
Yeah, man, I'm a chocolate doing. This is Blanco Paco here with me. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, I saw
We
this.
decided to hop about the bed and, you know
Yeah, I
what I'm saying? Go
saw
check out
that.
the people. That's
Yeah. No one cares. Okay. Ooh. Child. How much time I got? Oh, I got 5 minutes, child. I'm about to get you. I got 5 minutes. Okay, girl, come on. Oh, about to get you. Oh. And let me tell you, you are doubling your videos and putting them on a different name. Yeah. I'm watching the same stuff under different names. You ain't slick. What?
I might be black, but this motherfucker about to got Latino. Real quick, hold up.
I have Melrose list. You have Melrose lit? Wait.
Hey, we lit.
A poncho. Okay.
Let's do this. Hold on, I got a motherfucking pinata in this motherfucker.
Ooh. Y'all see this? My name is Erica LaShawn. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome. It's 12:28 a.m. It's November 19th, 2023. I got to go to work 8 a.m. I know you ain't. I really like that. I like that poncho though. I like it. It's pretty. I like the poncho. I like that. Yeah, I like that. It's colorful. It's cute. Alright. Great performance. Oh, they like you. Burrito. You still doing that? I really like it though. I ain't gonna front on you, child. I'm really liking the poncho though. Oh. See, this how you had me in the first place. Yeah, you had me in the first place. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I like that little garment. That little garment you got on. Yeah, I like that. Child, where we going with this? Oh, so you talking Spanish, but not really. Oh, I like it. I like it. Burrito? Here you go again. Yeah, we ready. Oh, I like that. I like that. I like that garment, sweetheart. I ain't gonna front on you. I like it. Go sit down. Yeah, go sit down. Who's live? Somebody's live right now. Okay? I'll be in the building. Somebody's live right now. Yeah. Okay, there you go with that N word. There you go.
This next song
My phone is for you. My phone is for you. My phone knows it's you. Nah. What? Oh, no, y'all. My name is Erica LaShawn. Please like, share, subscribe. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, I can't even talk right now. My name is Erica LaShawn. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not here, new, welcome. Nah. Nope. What? Okay. All right. Let's go. Nah, I can't sit up with you. Nah, I can't sit up with you like this. Nah, I can't sit up with you. You vulgar. Nah, you vulgar. Okay, hold on. Nah, you vulgar. You're embarrassing. Yup, you embarrassing. You are... What the hell is this? Let's pick out his dances. Yeah, this is so... Okay. My name is Erica LaShawn. Please like, share, and subscribe, sir. Come see me. Yeah, nah. Nope. I just wore some leather pants the other day. No one cares, okay? Okay, we gonna get on some clothes on you. Oh, no. Oh. What type of music? This music is not good. I don't like the music.
With 360 checking from Capital One, it's all about you.
My music showing up on this mess. Okay. I like what I like. You brought your speaker. Andrews kicked back. I brought my speaker and played Spanish. I like this song. Just like everybody else. I'm mad. I don't like this guy. My name is Erica LaShawn. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome. Sir, Chocolate Uno, come see me. What is this? It's a concert that went wrong? Oh, it went... Let me tell you. Oh, Lord, y'all. Look at it. What's going on? Nah, I ain't about to sit up here and look at this. I don't know what you're doing. Child. Nah. Oh, where are you? Oh, there you go. Y'all. I got to be at work at 8 a.m. Y'all. I'm here for the people. Y'all. I like this song. What are you... Well, I can't even see. No, and... No. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Nah. Nope. You keep going with this mess. I really want to curse. I do. I'm trying to be nice. I want to cuss you out. Oh, okay. All right. One more time, and we gonna get out of here. We gonna get out of here, child. Oh, what is that? Child, you make
So
this...
you think you know Wix?
We
Do you
don't.
really?
I got Wix.
First up, we've
I
got
have a
Shape Video
website.
Cast. You can use different shapes to
I
create
got
completely
Wix.
different vibes.
Y'all not ready. Okay, yeah. I'm about to do some. Stop it. Shut up. I don't even know what that's saying. Y'all. Okay, let me go. Let me go. Oh, y'all, let me go. That is a salsa. I'll give you that. I'll give you that. Yeah, you could do the salsa. I'll give you that. Yeah, I'll give you that. I don't give you that footwork, though. Yeah, I don't give you that. Yeah, I ain't giving you the footwork. Nah. Let's go. That footwork ain't yours. Okay, nah, that ain't yours. This guy in the orange is standing there like, this is not real, y'all. He's standing there like, this ain't real, y'all. Yeah, he noticed. The dude in the orange know this shit ain't real. Excuse me. Nope. One more. I kind of want to get on this, but I just don't. Oh, nah, and nah. Look now. Secure the PS5? I don't know what that means. Child, what the hell are you doing? My name is Erica LaShawn. Please like, share, and subscribe. What are you doing? Chocolate Uno, you look like a fool. Here we go. Oh, she treating you like a dog, God. Oh. Alright, y'all. Alright, I'm going in. Oh, I'm about to go in. Listen, child. We gonna do this one more time. Child. Okay. What are you doing? Look at him, y'all. Look at him. Oh my God. You got an abuela again? You got a granny again. Wait, you got a hot granny. I know you ain't picked no hot granny up. So you got a hot granny? You got a hot granny that treats you like a dog. I know you ain't doing this. I'm posting. What? Look at him, y'all. Look how he on his granny. Be nice. I know you ain't on this hot granny. Oh God. Oh, the comment. I'm in the wrong format. I said that, but I am now. It's hard from. Look, it's a different. Child, nah. We gonna do it again. And I'm gonna get on. Oh! Look at Granny get it. You're so nice for dancing with her and making a good memory for her. You on Granny's. Ha 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 ha. Nah, nigga, I'm scared. Child, you. Oh, Lord, we on you now. Oh, my God. Ooh. Go on, Granny. Go on, Umbrella. Umbrella. Go on, Umbrella. Go, Granny. Go, girl. Get it, child. Get it, child. I'm on you. See, you didn't, like, okay, my name is Erica LaShawn. You know what? I can't get up. I can't. Okay. So you teaching it? You teaching it? The only black guy in the salsa class. See, we about to do this. We doing it. We doing it. I don't know. Listen, my name is Erica LaShawn. We about to do this, sir. What? My hiccups, my hiccups is coming up. See, my hiccups mad. Everybody mad. Everybody mad. I got the hiccups. My diaphragm is mad. Yeah, my diaphragm is. All right. Okay. All right. My hiccups, man. See, that's when you know. I'm going to cure them when I get off here. Yeah, my hiccups is... My diaphragm, man. Now, please excuse the hiccups. Yeah. Nah, I'm going to take you through these hiccups. I'm about to get off. All right. Nah, this is stupid. My name is Erica LaShawn. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome. I gotta cure these hiccups. I told you how to cure them. You done made my hiccups come up. I will make you go through these hiccups. It's the way you make me feel. We going through these hiccups. I don't care. What?
Like I was saying.
Okay, we gonna go through these hiccups. The way you make me feel, Michael Jackson tribute by T. Diamonds. This my song. And you doing skits, stupid skits, and I got hiccups. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. See, first of all, I don't like to all of y'all that do these skits. I know your skits look stupid. All of y'all. I'm talking to all of y'all. Y'all skits be looking stupid. I got the hiccups. I'm about to work right through these hiccups.
You knocked me off of my feet.
Oh, really? Oh, so y'all having her walk like, y'all having her walk. Yeah. I don't care. I get hiccups all the time. I don't give a damn. And I cure them. We doing this. Y'all, I'm about to hiccup off this. I'm about to hiccup through you. Nah. Nah. Y'all see this? I'm hiccup. I don't even care about the hiccups. I don't give a damn. With the high hips on, you give me fever like I never felt. Go, my. What? What? Oh, you walk, you talk, you dress. Go, Michael. Miles around. Pick you up in my car and we'll paint the dog. Oh, Michael. on, Michael. You really turned me on. Hiccups and all. You knocked me off on my feet now, baby. Woo! My lonely days are gone. Go on, Michael. Michael got me in the hiccups. I gotta get up in the morning. I'm straight up hiccuping. So what? Love be fun. Come on, Michael. No, my hiccups. It's me, you, and these hiccups. Yeah, I'm hiccuping. The way you make me feel. Sing. What? How long is this? Cause I ain't got time. Oh, you yanking people? Oh, slap them, girl. Slap them, child. Slap them. It feels good.
No, can't happen. It's done.
I'm hiccuping.
Get out of here, man. Get out of here.
Thank you, phone.
Get out of here. This nigga's stupid.
Y'all. All right. All right.
With 360
All
checking
right.
from Cap.
Okay. I can't get enough. My name is Erica LaShawn. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome. The hiccups is taking control. Thank you. Bye.